Back, children. As I promised you that I'll come with the next part, which will cover the left out topics of chapter number 1, number system. So I am here. I welcome all of you in the computer online classes. Today we will cover the things and the logic and knowledge about computer arithmetic, which will include binary addition, subtraction, multiplication and division with the help of various examples. So we should start our topic. Our first topic is computer arithmetic. What is computer arithmetic? As you all know that computer only understand binary language. It doesn't mean that you can give the data in only binary language. You can give data in your language, but it needs to be converted and processed by the system is in the form of binary language only. So computer only understand binary language, and data given by the computers always converted in the binary language for processing. That is why I have told you about the number system and the conversion of the number system also. This process, the computer changes the language, other language into the binary language, and this process involves various kinds of operations like maybe addition, subtraction, multiplication and etc. Various things are there. So we need to learn also the computer arithmetic. I am telling you that it is no difference, there is no difference between the decimal arithmetic or normal arithmetic and computer arithmetic. It is same. Later on you will know the real idea and the differences about the binary arithmetic or computer arithmetic. So we should start with our first topic, that is binary addition. Binary addition is same as we are doing with the decimal additions, but here we are dealing with 0 and 1 only. So it is also a key for binary subtraction, multiplication and division. There are 4 rules. The first rule states that if we are adding 0 plus 0, it will give 0 as a sum and carry will be 0. Okay, if you are adding 0 and 1, so it is adding 0 plus 1 equal to 1, and that will equal to the sum will equal to 1 and the carry is 0. If we are adding 1 plus 0, or the same it is, sum is 1 and carry is 0. And then now the next and fourth rule, if we are adding 1 plus 1, it gives you the sum as 10, 1 and 0. So 1 plus 1 always equals to 10. This 1 plus 1 gives you 10. So what should you do? You should write 0 in the place of sum, okay, and 1 as a carry towards the next digit. So 1 plus 1 equal to 10 and 0 will be written in the place of sum and 1 is the carry. Okay, so let's move further. This is the case, the fourth case I am explaining you. Now I am taking an example. We are dealing with the next example. The next example is here. First, it is a simple example. You do not need to carry the things that 1 0 0 0 plus 0 1 1 1. It is simple. You have to do 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1. It is simple. Now come to the another example. I have taken these two examples from your book. You can have these examples in your book also. Okay. So now I am adding 1 1 1 1 1 plus 1 0 1 1 base 2. So 1 plus 1 equal to 10. I told you now 1 plus 1 equal to 10. So I am writing 0 here and 1 is a carry here. So now think about the next situation. It is 1 plus 1 plus 1 means there are 3 ones. So what we will do? We will do 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here 3 ones are there means 1, 1 and 1. So these 3 ones are there. If we are talking about 1 plus 1, it's equal to, delete it. Okay, so 1 plus 1 equal to 10. I told you 1 plus 1 equal to 10. And again, if you are doing with plus 1, now it is like a sum. So you will add 0 into 1, it is 1, and 1 here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives you 11. You will write 1 here, and this 1 should go as a carry. Okay, clear? So 1 plus 1 0 and 1 is carry. 1 plus 1 is 1 0 and plus 1 is double 1 means 1 1. So 1 written here, 1 as a carry. 1 plus 1 again, 1 and 0, 0 here, and 1 is carry. It is also the case of 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 1 1. So 1 I am writing here, and 1 as a carry, and 1 plus 1 gives you 1 0. So you can practice more about this, then it should be clear to you. Always remember 1 plus 1 equal to 1 0. 0 as a sum and 1 is carry. If you are adding 1 plus 1 plus 1 means 3 ones are there, then it should give you 11 means double 1. So 1 you have to write in the place of sum, and 1, the next one will be the carry. Okay, now our next example. The next example, we have to add 1 1 0 1 0 plus 1 1 0 0. So I am adding 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is again 1 0. 0 written here, 1 as a carry, 1 plus 1 is 1 0 carry, and here nothing is to be done. So 1 0 0 1 0. If you are converting this number, it will gives you 26. If you are converting this number, it will gives you 12. Then if addition of 26 plus 26 plus 12 is again 38, and this number is a binary representation of 38. So it is clear that if we are adding it in binary or maybe adding it in decimal, it always gives the result same. Okay. Now let's move. Next example, you can have an idea, you can pause your video and watch the same thing. You can have the idea of adding binary numbers. Okay, after looking and learning binary addition, we should move to the binary subtraction. It is also same as we are doing with decimal numbers. As we are subtracting with the decimal number, it is also same. Now, there are 4 rules. Means if we are subtracting 0 from 0, nothing we are getting difference, nothing borrowing. Okay, but if we are subtracting 0 from 1 means 1 from 0, so we have to take a borrow to this number, then it will be greater than this, then you can get this and this. Okay, I'll talk about the second rule after understanding the third and fourth rule. So 1 minus 0 is again 1 and 0, and 1 minus 1 means 0 and 0. So talking about the second rule, what second rule says? Second rule says that if we are dealing with, like if we are dealing with any number which is subtracting 1 from 0, so it is less than, so we don't have anything, na? So we don't have anything, so what we will do? We will do like 0 and 1 is here. So if there is a number like 1, so we will take a borrow. So if we are taking it as a borrow, it will become 10. So it will become 10, and 10 minus 1, it will become 0. This one become 0. So 10 minus 1 will be the 1. That is why here written 0 minus 1 difference 1 and borrow 1 taken from the next digit. Okay, let's move further. Now first example is a simple example. It is just nothing. It's simple. 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, and 1 minus 1 is again 0. It is the simplest one as we are dealing with the decimal numbers. Now the second is the more complex than the previous one. 1 1 0 0 minus 1 1. So what should we do? I am writing 1100 and 0011. Okay, now I am writing 11 here to 0 from, I am subtracting 1 from 0. So what should I do? I have to take borrow from the next digit. So here it is also 0. So I have to go there also. Now take borrow 1. So what remains left? Balance is 0. 1 is going here. If 1 is going here, it becomes 10. Now again I want to borrow 1. If I am borrowing 1 from 10 means 1 0, it becomes 1. Okay, as you already know that 10 minus 1 is equal to 1. So y here is 1. That is y. If I am taking anything from 1 0, if we are borrowing anything from 1 0, say it become 1 and the next number it is 0, so it becomes 10. Clear? So it is very simple. I am taking an example like that. So it is 1 0. Now the digit becomes 1 0. So 1 0 minus 1 is 1. That is why here I am writing 1, and here balance is, now cut this, the balance is 0, 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. It is correct. Okay, now here it is 0. So I have to take, it is 0 na, or again it is 0, so 0 minus 0. So it is nothing. 0 minus 0 is 0 and 1 minus 0 is 1. So you should aware that we can take to the next digit, and if next digit is not available, we can take from the next to next also. Okay, but we will follow this rule. Okay, 10 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 0, and so on. Okay, next move further. Now first is a simple example, 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. So 1 1 0 0, I am taking, I have to 0 minus 1 0, so I have to make it 1 or greater than 1. So I am taking 1 from here. So 1 from here, it becomes 10. It becomes 0. 10 means 1 0 minus 1 equal to 1. 0 minus 1 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So we will get the answer 1 0. Now next is the typical one. Here is the typical one. What I am doing? I am doing 1 1 0 0 1 1 minus 1 0 1 0. 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now it is a complex. I have to take a borrow from here. Here nothing is available, so I have to take borrow from here. So I am taking borrow 1. It becomes 0. I have to take borrow here, so it becomes 0. I take it 1, 10 here, 10 and borrow 1, so it becomes 1. Okay, initially it is 1 and 0, but again I am taking 1 here. That is why it becomes 1. So 1 0 minus 1 1, and again here 1 is there, so 1 minus 0 1. Here it is 0. So I have to take 1 from here. So it is become 10. It becomes 0. So 10 minus 1 1, and here it is 0. So you should learn, you also learn that how we can do the subtraction. Okay, now you can practice more and more using the different digits. You can take as per your choice also, take some numbers as per your choice, but remember that the upper number will be greater than the lower number, so it can be done easily. Okay, now binary multiplication. Binary multiplication is also same as we are dealing with the decimal multiplication. It is simple. Because why it is simple? Because here 0 is involved, and anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. Okay, the first rule says that 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 1 into 0 0, and 1 into 1 0. 1 into 1 is absolutely 1, not 0. Sorry for that. If we are dealing with multiplication, we have to do the addition also. As you all know, if we are doing multiplication of 2 or more digits, then we have to multiply each steps, and again the addition will be performed. So let's move further in taking a particular example. I am taking simple example from your book. 101 into 11 means 1 1. So it is simple. You have to multiply by simple 1 or 0. So 1 multiplied by 101, so 101, and again 101. Add this 1 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 1. It is easiest. Okay, now then next, as 1 multiply by 1, 1 1 1 1, multiply by 0 0 0 0 0, multiply by 1 1 1 1 1 1. So again add 1 1 1 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 10. So 1 plus 1 is 10, 0 here and 1 here. Okay, this one is here. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. So 1 here and 1 here. So 1 plus 1 is 10, means 1 0. So 0 here, 1 here. Again 1 plus 1 is 10. So 0 here and 1 here. So it is simple. You can do if you are very good in binary addition, then you don't have or you will not have any type of complexity and problem in doing the multiplications also. So let's move further with a complex example. You can take this as a practice example. Pause your video, do the multiplication in your copy and match with the answer given here. I have also converted the numbers into the you can say decimal form, so it is easy to find the correct answer. So let's move further. The binary division. What is the binary division? Binary division is the process of dividing number, subtracting the number. You can say it is a repeated process of subtraction. Okay, you have to just write the numbers, do the division, write the subtraction and then find the answer. Now let's move here. It is 110. I have to divide this number 10 by 110. So now 110. It is simple number 110. I have to take only 1 and 0. Okay, so you don't have any problem in this. You have to multiply by 1 and the multiplication of 1 is always the same number. Okay, 110 into 1 is 110. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, and again 10 means 1, 0 minus 1 is 1. So I am noting down the next digit 1001, and again first one time 100, again the same 1 minus 0 1. I am taking now here I have to take some borrow. So take borrow from here, it becomes 10. And again taking from here, it becomes 10, it becomes 1, it becomes 0. So the last digit or the first digit will become 0, the next digit will be 1 and the next digit will be 10. So 10 minus 1 is 1 and it is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0 and again it is 0. So we have 1, 1. Again write down the next digit is 0 and it is 1 time 1, 0, 0. So next will be the 0 and the answer is this. If the particular you will find this number, it is 42, it is 7, so 42 divided by 7 gives you 1, 1, 1, which is equivalent to 7. Okay, clear? The next I am showing an example from your book also. Compute 110 by 10. Okay, 10 divide 1. Multiply by 1 and gives 10. So 10 1 minus 10, it gives you 1. Write 0 here and again 1 10, remainder is 0. It is so simple. The next will be you can say next will be more typical for you. It is also like doing again and again the same process, but remember the things that you don't have to multiply with the larger number. You have to multiply by 0 or 1. 0 we will not do because we don't need in 0, but yes we need 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 and dividing or adding by 1 is very simple here. You can have more examples at your home. If you are not having, make it by yourself and compute the things. If you are having any problems, then tell me, I will solve it for you. So children, if you are having any queries, you can tell your teachers, ask your teachers also. And if there are numerous numbers of same queries, then I'll sort it and solve it out using a special video with the problem solving session. I will also come with you after making a particular video and some examples should be there. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. You will get a worksheet. You have to solve the worksheet and submit to your class teachers also. Thank you and have a nice day.